Hi guys, it's nearly 12 o'clock. Well, I think it's 12 o'clock, but I'm going to quickly make a quick lunch for mom. I'm gonna got three of those fish, three of them. It's gonna boil. I just gonna boil it with water and onion. That's all she wanted for a fish. And I got three fish in here. And come down a bit. My neighbors can see me cooking again, so they start up their thing again. It's like they're watching me every day. Like some people got nothing better to do than try to piss me off, but hey, got a more powerful spirit than that crap. And the spirits of people. I love my knife. This is really all I do, guys. It's just a slice of onion, very small. Just a cook in there with fish. Just one small onion. And listen to that crap. I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, guys. Over here in the pot, I've got water. I'm gonna wait this thing. I'm gonna add some of powdered onions, powdered ginger, and some of this veggie booster. That's all I'm gonna add, guys. Yeah. That's it. That's it with that. And I put this on the stove. My salt. I use this salt. Best salt to use. Healthy for you. And a little bit when it's cooked, boil, you can taste the if it's enough salt. Okay, stir that powder around. Okay, put it on the stove. I've got taro, pink taro, to go with the fish, and I've got turkey tails already boiled, and I'm putting it down, and I'm gonna fry with what do you call those things? What do you call? I'm gonna fry it with yeah, I'm just gonna fry it with breadcrumbs. Then turn my gas on. Put my stove on. I just plugged the stove in. There you go. A soup will be cooking no time. A fish soup. Okay? Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna peel the taro and put the taro on. Kalo ni way. Go really good with the fish. Easy and simple cooking, guys. Easy. I'll keep going, guys. Cutting that taro, guys. Just gonna cut them round and smaller. Just cook fast and easy to eat. Gotta really careful with this knife. You don't wanna cut off your finger. There you go. Careful. Hey guys, see the taro? I have to get the dry stuff off. Just cut it off. What do you do? Grace's school holiday now.
Yeah, it's slaying. Yeah, and it's really, really slaying.
Another week, 2 weeks rain. Ow! Okay, got load this in the pot, guys. Once it boils, let's do this, guys. Hello. I've got a whole lemon here. I'm gonna add one in the water where for the Kalo. The Taro that goes in there. I add a lemon and a skin. When it's boiling, then I'll add our Taro. And half a lemon in our fish soup. Sun's brighting over here. It's a nice day today. Okay, and let it boil, let it cook. Guys, I'm gonna make a breadcrumb to fry our turkey wings. There's some breadcrumb I use. Lightly fry so as the breadcrumb is cooked, and that's it. I've got lemon pepper. See, the turkey wings are already cooked with a lot of flavors. Some dried parsley. Let's put better powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and that's it. Just gonna mix it up. I'm gonna wet the turkey wings with with some egg. Then I fry this lightly. It's the last thing I do because the turkey wings already cooked. So I'm just gonna dip in the egg, put it on here, put it in oil. They'll come out really, really good. Fish is nearly cooked. Taro's a boiling. Okay guys, here's our turkey wings. It's been boiled and it's full of flavor. Now I'm gonna crumb it and fry, lightly fry. I've got an egg here, 2 eggs with a bit of milk, stir it together, and I'll dip it in there and fry. I'm waiting for the oil to get hot up. Guys, I'm gonna fry our, dip your water in a finger in the water and split it in there if it pop up, and then it's ready. Okay, what I do is make sure it's soaked all your turkey wings. Cover the egg. Yeah. And then straight into the flour. Police, I can hear police all over the place. I don't know what's going on? Guys, all in flour and crumbs. Yeah, see the oil right there. This is for the police here. But remember, this is Mount Druitt. Nothing wrong with Mount Druitt. It's just police doing their job. You know. You can smell that smell, beautiful. I don't need to cook that too long. As long as breadcrumb is cooked, and that's it. On the side, mate. Look guys, it's cooked already. That's how quick it is. There we go. Beautiful. Put it on that tray. So we better get on with this. Because the beans are cooking quick. And all we need to do is put the breadcrumb. Smells so good. Cook. Look guys, looks really beautiful. Very neat. Mum's church should finish at 1:30, 2 o'clock. So, beautiful mess. Look guys, so the other one ready. The other one is done out. And that oil, that's the oil I cooked that pork. And I changed my mind and I took it off. So the oil is beautiful, it's full of flavor. Oh, one more. A little bit longer. Guys, I'll turkey wings. And even if it's cooled down, I'd say it's beautiful. Sun is chasing me, so I've got to be quick. See how the sun's coming over here on the table? I need some sort of door here. And now I'm going to put some, what do you call it? Zucchini in the microwave with butter, and it goes with our food. Oh, that's it, the last one. I'm done. Done cooking, guys. Well, it's have to quickly clean up. Okay. What is your answer? Easy and simple. Guys, here's our fish soup. It's all cooked nice. Here's our taro. Oops. The sun is getting to me in my cooking. There's a taro there, and that's our turkey wings. Turkey wings. Yummy, guys. So taro, steam keep getting, and our fish. Here's a better picture, guys. A soup, fish soup, and a taro. And now I'm gonna have to put some veggies in the microwave. Thank you for watching, guys. Going back to the food now, and we take off to Mum for lunch. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Much love and God bless, and have a blessed week ahead. Today's Sunday in Australia, but Sunday tomorrow in America and the rest of the world. Goodbye for now. Thank you for watching.